Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware. The monitor must support HDR and 10-bit color. Use HDMI 2, 0/2, 1 or DisplayPort 1. 4. Once done, update Windows 11 and install the latest GPU driver from the vendor, not Windows Update. Make sure the cable is plugged straight into the GPU and not a hub. Next, open Settings System Display and toggle HDR on for the active display. This gets the system to advertise HDR capability to apps and the OS. Once HDR is enabled, you calibrate the pipeline. Set the native resolution and refresh rate because HDR can be disabled at unsupported modes. Then open Graphics Settings and prefer the discrete GPU for HDR apps. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling if available. In the NVIDIA/AMD/Intel control panel, enable 10-bit color and wide color gamut or WCG output. Also, adjust the SDR content brightness slider in Windows display settings so you finish by testing. Play a certified HDR sample or run the Windows HDR calibration tool to confirm tone mapping and peak brightness. If things look wrong, toggle HDR off and on, reboot and reapply 10-bit settings. Sometimes Windows needs a restart to negotiate modes. If the problem persists, switch to a different port or cable, try the monitor on another device, or roll back the GPU driver. One key troubleshooting tip. Check that color depth is set to 10-bit and that the monitor reports HDR in its on-screen menu.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.